Morning team. As I promised, I'm gonna start to make some quick video about my trading plan, try to explain the way I trade, the way I look at market, and because some of you didn't understand my daily technical analysis video, the words I use, so I'm gonna try to elaborate, and I'm gonna try to go every bullet point, every video, one bullet point per video. But one thing has to be clear for you guys: don't copy me. But not because I don't want to be copied, because everyone is different, and you should build your own. You can maybe get inspired by me, but you should work on yourself. Anyway, first video is about the analysis. Okay, we're gonna discuss just this. I think the sponsorship idea, confirmation and execution, I'm gonna leave like almost for last one, because this is like the summary of everything I do. Okay, for now let's focus on this. Look for hourly market structure, true plus fractals, support resistance, order blocks, premium discount, and fair value gaps. I'm not going to explain in detail what are order blocks, premium discount, and fair value gaps. If you need this, I don't even know why you're following me. Also, for your joy, I'm gonna do on a white background. Okay, so I think many of you will be happy. Yeah, let's start with the market structure. What I assume for market structure, why I call one true and one fractal. First of all, you can call whatever you want. Like I say fractal because for me it's the recent one. You can call it recent structure or last structure or whatever you want. It's just higher high, higher lows, lower highs. I call it true, the main one, the big one, and then fractal, the recent one. But don't focus on names. Just call it whatever you want. Focus on the concept, on the idea. So for example, in this example here, it's H4, okay? And for me here, market structure is high. Let's focus on this side of the chart, okay? It's going up, it's high. We are printing higher high, higher lows. And what's the difference between true market structure and fractal? Well, that's simple. Look at this. Here we got a range. Here we got a range that lasted for 8 days, okay? So this range, after 8 days, somebody bought here and break the range in a stupid, clean way. The BMS up, okay? Order block tested, they keep going higher, okay? So this is the last low, they break the range high. So for me, this is like the new market structure low. What happens here after a while? We start to print lower lows, and lower highs, okay? Can you see this? So this is what I consider fractal structure, which is like the recent. So, and this is like the true structure. What happens? They go back in the true structure in the main order block, go into discount, and then send it. So why is this idea important? Because you should be aware that the true structure is up, and this is just a pullback into origin, okay? What does that mean? If you trade M1, you can find wonderful opportunities in here on every premium side of the range, on every push up, on a pullback, to short the things. But you should always be aware that the real market structure is up. So if you enter the trade here and you expect to go on 107, yes, you can get lucky, the structure doesn't hold, and you are right. But this is not high probability. High probability is still up once you get into the bullish of the block. You know what I mean? I hope so. So let's have a look at another example. Here is an H12 example, okay? Yeah. It's pretty much the same thing. Look at this. Here we are still in a bull trend, okay? this is the main order block. All of this is inside candles. They don't matter much. Good old Michael teaches that a big fat candle is the order block. Okay, we break market structure up, then we start to range a lot, then we start to print lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, look at this. You cannot mistake. This is like bearish structure. Okay, so you're gonna say here, look, market structure is bearish, H12 is bearish. Yes, fractal structure is bearish. The recent structure is bearish. The real one is still up. What happens? We go back into the bullish order block and bam, send it again. Can you see? So real structure is up, then we kind of pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, and send it. Okay, same here, pull back, pull back, pull back, and send it. So, oh fuck. Well, just to let you know, real structure is up, fractal was down. You need to be aware of the two different type of structures, or at least I try to do that. There's another example here, bearish one. Look at this. So same as before, pretty much. Look, this is a range of 29 days. It's 1 month range. Okay, can you see the range? It's stupid clear. What happens? Somebody here in these three H12 candles, so in this order block, they send it down like 230 pips. Okay, so this is a bearish order block. Real structure right now is down. They close below every single swing that you can see around. You know, they really push it. They make sure that there is no mistake here. This is bearish. Okay, what happens? We start to range again, then they start to print higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So this structure is up, the fractal structure is up, until what? Until they go back into the origin of the guys that sold it, and bam, keep going lower. Yeah, I hope this is pretty clear. I mean, it's not too difficult to understand, huh? Real structure down, higher high, higher lows, higher high. This is just a pullback, and then they send it. This is the way I look at market structure, okay? So for me, it's pretty simple. Generally, it's higher high, higher lows, and I just need to be aware of the real structure and the fractal structure, because if you are a day trader, many times you can find wonderful opportunities in here. You know, you can get your 2-3 hour in this structure like super easy. I mean, look at this. This is a bullish order block, H12, okay? If you long it here, at some point, I mean, if you long it, in some point you find like, oh no, let's do this one, okay? Okay, they break up market structure, or the fractal market structure. Here, they break up. Then in here, you can find a lovely long opportunity and have like, I don't know, what, 200 pip move. So it's amazing how much you can make of fractal structure. You don't need always to consider the real one. It's not like, real structure is down, so I only going to go short. No, you can find opportunities in here. Just be aware that the real structure is down, and when you get to the real of the block, you better get out or have a little runner, you know. Anyway, I think that's enough for me today. I hope you understand the concept. And yeah, basically, this is what I try to look for, the real and the fractal structure. This is what I do every morning in the videos that I post on YouTube, and you watch it when I do H12, H4, H1. And then, yes, I check also premium discount. I mean, I don't think I need to explain this, no? This is the big move that sent up, so I try to wait. When the chart comes here in discount, especially in OT levels, I'm aware, and if I know that I see some low time frame or like hourly reversal, I can start to look for longs. Look at this example from yesterday. Look at this. This is a bearish order block, send the chart down, and then instantly broke. So for me, I say, okay, item frame is not E levels, we are in discount, hourly broke up, I think longs are in, and you can start to look for longs, you know? This is not complicated, sorry. Anyway, yeah, same goes for here. Imagine that now we start to go up, no? This is the move down. I know that high probability shorts on a H12, an H12 is gonna be above 50%. So once we start to get here, we feel the fair value gap that is being left. Also, there is a beautiful bearish order block in OTE. I mean, if I need to explain these things, I don't even know why you're following me, but yeah, this is it. So this is the first part of my trading plan. Next videos, we're gonna look the flow, low time frame, and etc. etc. I hope this helps you guys, and I hope you like the light theme. I'll see you around. We speak soon. Bye.